Shalom. Deuteronomy 10, verse 12. And now, O Israel, what does the Creator require of you? After the golden calf. After the broken tablets. After 40 days prostrate in intercession. After the full review of every failure in the wilderness. After all the mercy that should not have come but did. After all of it, one question. Not, have you finally gotten it right? Not, are you worthy now? The question is, what does he require of you? 5 verbs. And the answer is not a burden. It is a description of a life that has received what Israel received and knows it. This is Torah Sac Studio. We are walking through every chapter of Torah, one chapter at a time. Deuteronomy 10 follows the full record of failure and Moshe's intercession. The tablets are restored. The covenant is renewed. And then comes the simplest and most searching question in all of Devarim. Open with me to Deuteronomy chapter 10, verse 1. At that time the Creator said to me, Hew for yourself 2 tablets of stone like the first, and come up to me on the mountain. I will write on the tablets the words that were on the first tablets, which you broke. Moshe hews the tablets. Makes the ark. Goes back up. The Creator writes the same 10 words on the new tablets. Moshe brings them down. The same words. The same covenant. Not a reduced version. Not a second chance with lower expectations. The same requirement restored. Verse 5, and there they remain, just as the Creator commanded me. The continuity of the covenant through the failure is itself part of the testimony. Verse 12. And now, O Israel, what does the Creator require of you? 5 verbs. Fear the Creator. Walk in all His ways. Love Him. Serve Him with all your heart and with all your soul. Keep His commandments and statutes. Verse 13, for your good. Not for His benefit. For yours. Then verse 14, behold, to the Creator belong heaven and the heaven of heavens, the earth and all that is in it. Yet the Creator set His heart in love on your fathers and chose their offspring after them. He owns everything. And He set His love here. The vastness of what He owns makes the particularity of His choosing more staggering, not less. If this chapter landed on you today, write what He requires in the comments. Deuteronomy 10 gives you 3 things. The covenant is restored, not revised. The same 10 words on new tablets. Return after failure is not return to a lesser version. What He requires is a posture, not a performance. Fear. Walk. Love. Serve. Keep. For your good. He owns everything, and He set His love on Avraham, Yitzhak, and Yaakov, and their descendants. The vastness of what He owns makes the particularity of His love more staggering, not less. After all the failures, all the mercy, all the restoration, what does He require of you? In Deuteronomy 11, Moshe sets before Israel the clearest choice in all of Devarim, a blessing and a curse, both real, both possible, and both before you. Thank you for walking through Deuteronomy 10 with me. If you're studying through the Torah chapter by chapter, subscribe and continue the journey. Shalom.